Okay, next up we have the parents of the bride, a couple who loves long walks on the beach, and it can also be found in the Penrith RSL on every Sunday. Okay, let's give it up for Far Alpha and Uncle Will. Awesome song selection, considering their roots, you know. Okay, alright, it's time for the bridal party and the groomsmen to battle it out on the catwalk. First up, we have, let's show some support for Maria's little sister and Randy's nephew, Anastasia and Gavin. What? Oh, what tantalizing rooms. Where did you get that from? Okay, everybody come down. Yeah. Next up in the line, we have the beauty coming all the way from New Zealand. And he's still from the Hawaiian shores, Caroline Pole and Johnny Tay! Yeah, I'm pretty sure they're not even 18 yet, so I'm not going on this. Anyway, next, let's put our hands together and welcome from New Zealand, Marina Alpha and her partner on the line all the way